Are you looking to secure a cleaner job in Finland? In this video, we will share a comprehensive guide on how to successfully apply and land a cleaner position in this beautiful Nordic country. There is a consistent demand for cleaners in Finland across various industries. To work in Finland, you need a residence and work permit. This company will help with all the necessary paperwork. We will delve into the job duties, requirements, and how to apply, offering you valuable insights and tips to enhance your chances of success. Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Please hit that subscribe button to get notified each time we post a new video. So let us get started. Job duties. As a cleaner in Finland, your primary responsibility will be to maintain cleanliness and hygiene standards in various establishments such as offices, schools, hospitals, residential buildings, and public spaces. Some common job duties include 1. Cleaning and sanitizing. Ensuring cleanliness and orderliness in assigned areas such as offices, hotels, hospitals, or educational institutions. Sweeping, mopping, and vacuuming floors. Dusting and polishing surfaces. Cleaning and disinfecting restrooms and replenishing supplies. Handling waste disposal following proper procedures. 2. Maintenance of public spaces. Keeping communal areas, such as lobbies and corridors, tidy and presentable. Removing litter and ensuring trash bins are emptied regularly. Checking and restocking cleaning supplies when necessary. Requirements. Before pursuing cleaner jobs in Finland, it is essential to familiarize yourself with the typical requirements. While specific qualifications may vary, the following aspects are generally considered important. 1. Physical fitness. Being physically fit and capable of performing laborious tasks. Possessing the ability to lift and carry heavy items, bend, and stand for extended periods. 2. Attention to detail. Demonstrating keen attention to detail to ensure no spot is left unclean. Having good organizational skills to efficiently manage tasks. 3. Reliability and punctuality. Showing a strong work ethic by being reliable and punctual for your shifts. Employers value individuals who can be trusted to complete assigned tasks consistently. 4. Communication skills. Being able to understand and communicate effectively in Finnish or English. Clear communication ensures instructions are understood and tasks are carried out correctly. How to enhance your application. 1. Prepare a well-crafted CV. Include relevant experience, emphasizing any prior cleaning or maintenance roles. Highlight transferable skills such as attention to detail, organizational ability, and reliability. 2. Certifications or training. You don't need to have any kind of certificates or diplomas. Of course, they will appreciate them, but they are not a requirement. 3. Craft a personalized cover letter. Tailor your cover letter to each job application, highlighting your suitability for the specific role. Share experiences that outline your work ethic and dedication. How much does a cleaner make in Finland? The estimated salary for a cleaner in Finland is between €12 to €14 per hour. How to apply for cleaning jobs in Finland. To apply for a cleaning job in Finland, all you need to do is click the links in the description box and apply. Have your CV ready when applying. Finding a job can take time, so don't get discouraged if you don't receive immediate responses. Continue applying to increase your chances. It's essential to have patience and persistence when seeking employment.